Right, this is my newest acquisition. It's a Clydon 13.4 and it's just about up to steam. So let's give her a whirl and see what she can do. Yeah, and there she goes. This one was made somewhere between 1947 and the early 1950s, and it was made by Sydney S. Bird and Sons, and they were in business in Enfield in Middlesex. They made 5 steam engines in total, and this is my second one. Very, very nice model as well. I'm very pleased with this one. The whistles aren't usually very good on toy steam engines, so we'll give this one a try and see what it's like. Yeah, now, a bit of a disaster. Saying that, a lovely model. I really like these Clydons. I'll try and do a bit of a zoom on it. Well, that's about it for the Clydon. I'll stop video now and just sit back and enjoy this one. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.